Nice bang for your buck. Hygger provides a ready-to-go air pump kit for fish enthusiasts including HG 949 air pump, 3.6 feet long air tube, 0.9-inch air stone, check valve and user manual. Check valve prevent back siphoning. Strong airflow, low consumption. Our 1-watt small betta air pump is very energy-saving with max flow rate up to 50 gallon per hours, capable of operating small sponge filter and large air stone, creates tons of tiny bubbles, increasing water movement and circulation. Widely application. For use with air-driven aquarium accessories like air stone, ornaments and small sponge filters. Mini Aquarium Air Pump only measures 3.5 x 2 by 2 inches. Powerful, lightweight, low noise, along with long service life. Up to 20 gal. A great small fish air pump for freshwater and saltwater aquariums and hydroponic systems up to 20 gallon. Easy to install. Connect air pump with air tubing, check valve and air stone, less than few minutes installation and you're good to go. Top reviews from the United States. Great customer service. Update August 17, 2022. So after my review the company reached out to me and replaced my kid's air pump with a brand new one that alone should let you know what kind of company you're dealing with and you should really consider buying from them. They go above and beyond to make it right, plus I really love that the company reached out to me to try to make it right and I didn't have to reach out to them. I bought this for my son's fish tank because he wanted to add some air decor to his fish tank and needed an air pump. The first one crapped out after a couple months and then the company reached out to me and replaced it with a brand new one. You should definitely buy from this company.